everything is connected. In one way or the other, we are all part of the same source, right? Everything originated from one sound, one frequency, right? In the Bible, it says, first there was the Word. So before anything, there was a word, and the word is sound, and sound is frequency. Even in the Hindu traditions, we look at the creation as a sound, as the Om, right? The primordial sound that which came before everything else. So that sound, that moment in time when scientists call it the Big Bang, is when everything was created. And so somewhere we all have that connection. It's the journey from Germany to India was, for me, just to reconnect with these parts of myself that I wasn't really aware of, and nobody was there to show me. Nobody was there to teach me.